Diabetes is a common condition these days, and if you are worrying about it, you can make it worse. Always believe that your body is capable of healing itself. There are few acupoints that can help you to regulate the insulin level, improve the function of your pancreas, and also dramatically improve the side effects of the medications. The advantage is that there are no side effects and you can do it n number of times. But I would recommend you to go ahead and do it once in the morning and once in the evening. There are few acupoints that may promote labor pain, so it is not recommended for expecting mothers. Let's go with the acupoints. The first point that we have is called the liver 3 point. The liver 3 point is a very important and commonly used point for treatments. It is often coupled with the large intestine 4 point to improve the energy flow and also improves the blood circulation in the body. The liver 3 point is located on your foot. It is between the first and the second toe, about an inch away from the web, or you can use your 3 fingers from your web to measure this particular point. The second point that we have is the large intestine 4 point, which is between your thumb and your index finger. When you press your thumb towards your index finger, you will see a bulge. Okay, the point is located on the bump. The highest bump is the LI 4 point. The next point that we have is the Spleen 6 point. This is one of the common point for many issues. So this point is a junction point for spleen, liver and kidney meridian. This strengthens the spleen, spreads the liver energy, and also it is a benefit point for kidney. So this point is located 4 finger width above the ankle bone, medial malleolus, on the inner side of your leg. The next point that we have is the stomach 36 point. This point has a positive effect on your pancreas and other internal organs, not only on the GERD or the gastric problems that we had discussed in my previous videos. This is one of the important points. It is located 4 finger width below your kneecap in front of your shin bone. The next point that we have is on your stomach. There are 2 points. They are called the Ren4 and the Ren12 points, which is on your stomach. The Ren4 point is located 4 finger width below your belly button. This nourishes and stabilizes the kidney, regulates the energy flow. The next point that we have is the Ren12 point. It is also known as stomach control point, and it is located on the abdomen wall associated with the pancreas. It is located midway between your belly button and the lower tip of your sternum. Place your palm above your belly button and the point is located above your thumb. The next point that we have is the LI11, which is also called the large intestine 11 point. This point is located at the end of your crease formed when you bend your arm. It is in the outside end of your crease. This point is usually tender for most of the people. Apply moderate pressure with your thumb and massage this point. The next 2 points are at your back. So it would be difficult for you to identify and massage it all by yourself. So I would recommend you to get help from someone who can help you massage these 2 points. The first point that we have is the XB3, EXB3 point. This is a point that is used for the treatment of diabetes, and also if you have any abdominal pain or any chest pain, vomiting, this point is used as for the acupressure point or the acupuncture point. This point works especially well for the diabetic patients who has the issue of dry throat. This point is located at the T8, the thoracic vertebra, and the point is located 2 finger width from the spine. The next point that we have is the bladder 23 point. This regulates the kidney energy, benefits the eyes and also your ears. This point is also located at your back, located at the base of your lower back between the second and the third lumbar vertebra, 2-finger width from the spine. Identify all these points. You have few points on your leg, few points on your stomach, few points on your back, and few points on your hand. Use your thumb or your index finger to massage these acupoints for about a minute. Repeat it on the other acupoints. For the points on your stomach, use your index finger and your middle finger and apply mild or moderate pressure for about a minute. Then use your palm and make small concentric circles in the clockwise direction for about 5 minutes. For the points on your back, get help from someone who can help you to massage the acupoints. You can also use few devices that will help you to massage these acupoints, or you can use it for your back massage, like something like this. You can roll it over your arm, your leg, and also your back, which is very relaxing and also helps you to activate these acupoints. Try it, and if you like the content, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Have a great day. Bye.